That's cold. How's that feel?
Not good.
Not good?
Not good.
How does that feel?
Good.
Good? Who's going to take their hand off first? After Casey.
I'm surprised Mommy hasn't yet.
Yeah, it's getting painful.
It's getting hurt. Yeah.
Does it hurt yet?
No.
Okay, I'm done. Who's going to win?
Your daddy.
Who's going to say uncle first?
Why are you moving it? Well, surprised how long she's going.
I know. I don't know who's going to win here.
Hold your hand on it. Remember, like at SeaWorld?
Do you not have anything in your fingers, Courtney?
What?
Here, boys, come on, picture real quick.
Oh, I'm just recording. They're having a contest who's holding on. I'm recording, so sorry, go ahead.
Turn the toe.
Your hands aren't hurting.
Somebody gonna give soon? Casey, don't kick it.
What's wrong?
Casey,
Remember, at SeaWorld? That wall where it came out of there?
Daddy. Oh, Courtney won.
No.